Welcome back to Top Tier Trivia, where we will always warn you of upcoming dog poops. In 2016, a Roomba faced an unusual challenge when it inadvertently rolled over a pile of dog poop during the night, highlighting its lack of poop detection skills. This unfortunate situation was vividly experienced by a father named Newton in August, when his young son climbed into bed, covered in the odor of dog mess. Shocked, Newton discovered a chaotic scene in his bedroom, which he jokingly referred to as a war zone of poop. Without waking his wife, he embarked on a tedious cleaning mission. Armed with paper towels, bleach water, and a steam mop, he worked diligently to restore order. Hours later, smelling of harsh cleaners, he finally returned to bed, a testament to parental dedication in the face of unexpected messes.